Hello everyone. In this video I am going to give you the 50 daily use sentences. After using these sentences, it will make you more fluent and simple and easy word which will be easy to use and pronounce. Okay, so I have divided it in 5 different categories. Each category carry 10 sentences. So let's start with the category number 1. It's related to how to talk at a home. Okay, good morning all of you. How are you? No, I don't like to eat stale food. I only drink chill water in summer season. Don't forget to fill up the all bottles and keep that in fridge. Mommy, Masi wants to talk to you. I make my beds every day. Never procrastinate. Procrastination is not a good habit. Can I have a glass of water? Can you give me a hand, please? No, food is not ready yet. Or dinner is not ready yet. Actually, I have to buy groceries today, so I'll be busy in this. If we meet tomorrow, then I can see. Where were you been these days? Let's grab a cup of coffee today. I forget my wallet at my home, so would you mind to let me some money, please? Did you watch the new movie? Yeah, it was really thrilled, the full of excitement and action. I really appreciate this movie. I like the story, I like the character, everything was enchanting. You should also watch this movie. Hey, how many times I called you? Where were you busy, yaar? Would you mind if I take your bike for one day? Can you please drop me to the railway station? Actually, my schedule is very busy today. So, would you mind if I meet you tomorrow? Hey, how was your date? Let's plan a road trip. Yeah, I bought this new phone. Did you like it? The sound quality of this music is really great, Just I would say excellent. Congratulations, I hear this you got promotion. Well, I am feeling under weather, sir. Can you please give me one day leave? Or can you please give me half day leave? Do you need my any help? Then not forget to inform me. Can I use your system for now on? Actually, my system is not working well. How was your weekends? Sorry, I can't hear you right now. I am running very late for my meeting. Hey, how was your preparation going for the new project? So, do you like to join my team or someone else's team? Would you like to collaborate with me? No? Fine. Actually, I am thinking to take one day leave because I have a doctor's meeting at a coffee shop in the lunch break. And the way you give the presentation, I really appreciate it. Now the category number 3. It's related to how to talk on a phone calls. Okay, so let's start. Let's see the sentences. Yes, who is speaking? Or I would like to talk Miss Arun. Sorry, can you speak a bit loud because I am unable to hear you properly. What? You are not coming today? Then what's your next plan? Okay, we will catch tomorrow, right? Okay, fine. You are not audible. Yes, check the network or call me again. I think you have dialed a wrong number. You should check your number before calling. Can you wait for a moment? I have to receive one urgent call. Oh, pardon please. Or, come again. Sorry, I didn't recognize you. Yes, I am doing well. How about you? Now the last category, it is related to how to ask the different types of questions in English. Okay, so let's start with the first one. What's your favorite song? What's your favorite restaurant? Hey, where are you from? What's your native place? Where is your office? Do you have any pet? Which Netflix show you like most? Name please. Hey, how many siblings you have? How many languages do you know? Would you like to meet today? Would you like to give me company? Okay, if you like the video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.